Hi, we are digital printed t-shirts manufacturers. Our factory is located in Bangalore nearby Ramurthy Nagar signal. Our WhatsApp number 797 5580025. This is AI generated image printed t-shirts like this. You can print whatever design you want. You generate the images on AI and send it by WhatsApp. We will send a demo. Then after, your jersey will be printed like this. These jerseys are permanently printed and washable and ironable. See the print, it is permanent print, digital print. You can wash and even iron also. WhatsApp number 797 5580025. Website www.nextprint.in. So like this, you get the images from AI and send it by WhatsApp. We can print and stitch like this and send it to your address. Even one piece also we will deliver wherever it is in our country. We are able to deliver. WhatsApp number 797 5580025. Thank you.